In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Hostinger account. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. This can be any browser you normally use, such as Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Hostinger. From the search results, look for the official Hostinger website and click on it. Make sure you choose the correct official page so you can log in safely and avoid unofficial or misleading links. After the Hostinger homepage loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see the profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open the login area. This is where Hostinger gives you access to sign into your account. On the login page, you'll see the option to enter your email address and password. If you created your account using an email and password, simply type those details into the appropriate fields and then continue with the login process. As always, make sure you enter your information carefully, especially your email address and password, to avoid any login errors. If you originally signed up using Google or Facebook, you may not need to manually type your email and password. Instead, you can click the Google or Facebook login option, depending on which method you used when creating your account. This can be a quicker and more convenient way to sign in, especially if your browser already remembers that account. One important thing to keep in mind is that you should use the same login method you used when signing up. For example, if your Hostinger account was created through Google, it's usually best to continue logging in with Google. The same applies if you signed up with Facebook. Using the correct method helps prevent confusion and makes the login process smoother. If your details are correct, you should be taken directly into your Hostinger account dashboard, where you can manage your hosting, websites, and account settings. And that's it. That's how to log in to your Hostinger account. Take your time, follow each part carefully, and you should be able to access your account without any problems.